Wow, I want to welcome you to my channel again. Somebody has asked me the question that is it possible for a beginner to make money in the forex market? Is it possible for a beginner to make money in the forex market? I have explained this in previous videos, but this very video is dedicated to answering this important question. And the simple answer to this question is that yes, it is absolutely possible for a beginner to make money in the forex market. But it has to come with proper training, with discipline, and the right education. Many people lose money in forex not because the market is impossible, but because they jump in without guidance. They trade emotionally or they lack a structured learning path. However, when a beginner receives solid training in forex trading, he understands risk management, practices patience, and learns how to read the market correctly. They can gradually become profitable and build long-term success. Now, why it is possible for beginner to make money in forex? Here are the major reasons. Number one, forex trading is a skill, just like driving. I've said all this before. Forex trading is a skill, and any skill can be learned. Just like driving or learning to code, Forex requires step by step learning, practice, and correction. With proper mentorship, a beginner can avoid costly mistakes. Number two is that the market has clear patterns and strategy. Forex is not gambling. There are market structures, trend patterns, indicators, price action techniques, and many more. If a beginner learns these well, they can trade confidently. Then number three is risk management protects beginners. And I'm telling you, if there's any major thing, all the other things I've mentioned, like the trend, like the strategy, you can learn it easily. But what about risk management? Risk management protects beginners using techniques like stop loss, lot size calculation, 1 to 2% risk per trade. Then trading plans. A beginner can protect their capital and grow gradually. Another thing about forex trading is consistency. You see, many years ago, I wanted to travel somewhere and my wife was around. I have to leave the car with her and my children. And then as I was planning to go, I said, okay, I need to teach her how to learn how to drive because she has to be driving. But along the line, as I was teaching her before I traveled, just the Sunday before I traveled, we were going on a straight line. A vehicle was coming out, and then as the vehicle went out to join the road from the other side, the vehicle did not leave the road, and it was still on the road. She didn't match the brake, and then she hit that vehicle. That was what happened that Sunday, and I was to travel on a Tuesday. Based on that, you know that we had to park that car for months until I came back. That is it. And then she didn't, when I came back and I taught her afresh, and then she learned, and now she can drive anywhere. Now, if she had been consistent after that initial accident that she had, hitting that car head on collision or whatever, she continued, she will have mastered it. Many forex traders, after a loss, they forget about the market, they run away. So consistency, not locks, make money in forex. Beginners who follow a structured plan can become profitable over time, even if they start small. My role in helping beginners to succeed are as follows. To make forex easier for beginners in Nigeria, in Africa, and around the world, I personally teach and mentor people at different levels. Level number one is that I teach people to trade forex for free on my YouTube channel. That is the Dr. Olubengade Tutun YouTube channel. Anyone can join and learn from the complete beginner level to advanced strategies. So all the videos are there on my channel. They have the playlist Forex trading profit or there about. So check it and check all the videos in there. You go to learn a lot of things there. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section of those videos. So anyone can join and learn from the complete beginner level to advanced strategies. You just need a smartphone and data. The lessons are simple, clear, and practical, and that one is free. I also offer one-on-one forex training, which is paid for. For those who want deeper personalized mentorship, I provide tailored lessons, guided practice, strategy development, risk management coaching, live trading sessions, and many more. This helps beginners grow faster and avoid unnecessary losses. Apart from this, I also help people to trade and manage their Forex accounts. If you want someone experienced to trade for you under agreed conditions, I assist with account management. I also assist with profit sharing agreements. I also assist you with safe, disciplined trading. I also assist you with transparent performance. This is especially good for people who are busy or want passive returns. In conclusion to this question, yes, a beginner can make money in Forex, but only with proper education, with patience, and mentorship. And that is exactly why I treat Forex, mentor traders, and help manage Forex accounts. So, what is your decision now? Let me know your decision. You can contact me on anything that you are not clear about in this video right there in the comment section below. And if you want me to manage your account for you, or you want me to teach you trading on a one-on-one basis, contact me and we are going to talk and agree and talk about the agreed prices and everything. To teach you how to trade, I at this moment charge you just 50,000 naira because you are coming to me through this very YouTube channel. Now, I've made a lot of videos about Forex, about different businesses, even about crypto airdrops and many others. And if you want to learn Forex for free, go ahead on my YouTube channel, right in the playlist on Forex trading and thereabout, and then you are going to learn everything you need to learn. I make a boast to say that if you keep coming to on my channel and you come for 6 months and your life does not change, that means I'm not sent to you. But I am certain that if you keep coming on this Dr. Olubegade YouTube channel, your life is going to be transformed. Your life is going to change. A lot of people have stories, good stories to tell. Many people have started businesses because of this channel, and that gives me joy and that gives me happiness. And that is why I am bringing this to you again at this time. Forex trading is a skill. You can learn it on my channel right here for free. And if you want one-on-one training with me, I will charge you 50,000, and in 1 to 2 months, you are going to be good to go. And I'm going to mentor you and hold your hand until you make it. So if I'm doing all these videos for free and I am passionate like this, what about if I'm charging you 50,000 naira to train you in Forex trading? You can imagine. I am not going to leave you alone until you start making those profitable pips. Until I come away in the next one, please share the link of my video with your family and friends. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. Keep coming back on this channel for more. I have other videos on this channel that I've done teaching you, telling you a lot of things you need to do and you need to learn. If you are young school leavers or you are people that are struggling financially, just share the link of my videos with them or the link of this channel with them and ask them to go through it for 3 months to 6 months and watch if their life will change or it will not change. And make a boast to say their life will change. And if their life does not change, that means I am not sent to them. But I am certain I am sent to them and I'm sent to you. Until I come your way in the next one, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. And I say this very important shout out to Lara Lauye. She's a member on my YouTube channel. She has been supporting my channel with some financial support every month, and I appreciate her for that. And I'm going to keep appreciating her. You too can do that by going just below this video. You see the section where the title of this video is. And then just look around, play around. You go to see join, go to see membership or thereabout. Click on it, and then you can drop maybe $1, 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 to support me every month, or just one off as you deem it fit. Until I come away in the next one, I want to say make pips, keep pips, and repeat. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to watch now. Go ahead and watch it. Let's go there.